What's up, my friends? Welcome back. I've spent the last week thinking of ways that people can supplement their income. And I've come up with what I think is a pretty good list. And these things, while they do require some level of commitment, they are not particularly challenging. These things are also not meant to be your main source of income. They're merely a way to supplement your existing income. Most of these things are what I consider to have low barrier to entry. That is to say, you don't need a lot of money and you don't need a lot of equipment. In fact, in most cases, the most important equipment most of us already own. These activities can generate between $1,000 and $1,500 per a month in additional income. But again, this depends on your level of commitment and where you currently reside. The first one is a medical delivery driver. If you go online and you did a search for medical delivery drivers near me, you will see a lot of jobs pop up looking for people who are willing to use their personal vehicle to deliver medical supplies, to pick up and drop off medical samples, to pick up and drop off personnel to and from their appointments. You will also find some that require you to be trained. You will also find others that require you to have a large vehicle. And the larger your vehicle, the more money you can make. I have discovered that you can make between $1,200 and $1,500 per a month as a medical delivery driver. The second one is Amazon Last Mile Delivery Driver. Amazon has this great program where you can sign up to use your personal vehicle to deliver packages either in the morning or in the afternoon. This is a great supplement to your income. If you have some time at the end of your normal work day or before your normal work day starts, this is a fantastic way to use your personal vehicle to make additional money. And we are the third ones, and I will just mention all these in a row as they are practically the same thing. It is Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and Instacart. I believe these are the four largest ones in the country. You're either delivering food, a combination of food and people, or you are delivering people. I myself did DoorDash during the pandemic and I found it to be very beneficial. However, post pandemic, in my area, DoorDash seemed to have fallen off. If you have a particular skill, and it doesn't have to be something that's mind blowing, you can contract that skill out. You can put yourself on various websites such as Fiverr to let the public know that you are available for contract work. Along those lines, you can write an ebook. In fact, I just got a new GoPro camera, and the YouTube video I watched to learn how to use it was made by an individual who publishes, well, he self-publishes instructions on how to use a GoPro camera. It doesn't matter what your skill is. It doesn't matter what your level of skill is. If you have something that you're passionate about and something you thoroughly understand, try writing and self-publishing an ebook of some kind. You can also become the fourth one, I believe this one is, a virtual assistant. You can be the assistant for someone working on Wall Street, having never met them in person. You can do this over Zoom. You can book their travel accommodations. You can book their tickets. You can set their appointments. You can set meetings. You can arrange lunches, all without leaving the comfort of your home. All you need is a reliable internet connection and a computer. Along those lines, you can also be a troubleshooter where someone calls the company with an issue, and these are called customer assistants. And you can help them based on the directions given to you previously by the company. You can also become a substitute teacher. Unfortunately, a lot of professional teachers are beginning to retire or they are leaving the profession because they are so frustrated with it. As a result, a lot of states, in particularly the one where I live, have become more dependent on substitute teachers. If you have a bachelor's degree, you can sign up with your local county or you can sign up with the state. And I guarantee you, once you pass the background check and you qualify, you will be called upon to fill in at least 3 or 4 times a week if you have the time available to do so. The fifth one, in the 80s, 90s, and early 2000s, temporary agencies were widespread. Today, it is as if working for a temporary agency implies there is something wrong with you. This is absolutely unfortunate because temp agencies are a great way for someone to have a day job. Like if you have the time off and you did sign up for a temp agency, you only need to call them or email them, let them know that you are available for that day, and they will gladly find you temporary work. This is a really good way that most retired people keep themselves active once they have removed themselves permanently from the workforce. You can also become a handyman, though this one requires some level of certification. It is still possible for you to do this in a short space of time. In fact, some handymen makes, and when I say men, I'm not referring to just guys. I'm referring to both male and female or they or them, whichever is your pronoun. You can make as much as 6 figures as a handy person. There we go. I will say handy person. Yeah. Um. So, but all these jobs, it doesn't matter if it's the contractor, the driver, the delivery person. It doesn't matter. It do require you to work. You have to put the work in. You must be willing to put the work in. There is no such thing as a quick buck. There is no such thing where you can make a easy living. Yes, you will make some money to supplement your main income, but you must be willing to put the work in. If you are not, it will be extremely difficult for you to do so. My fiance had this great idea a few weeks ago about cleaning trash cans. And I didn't realize that there are so many people who don't like doing it. Again, all you need is a hose with a nice sprayer on the end and somewhere to hook the hose up and your car to get you to and from the person's home. Quick and easy. You can set up a monthly schedule where you clean their trash can once or twice a month and they pay you to do that. While you're doing that, some people don't cannot be bothered with taking their trash from the curb and to the garage or from the garage to the curb. You can charge them an additional fee just to do that service for them. All these things are a great way for us to supplement our income. They do require work, as I've said throughout this entire video. And I keep saying this because YouTube has this thing where they give you this false impression that all you need to do is do XYZ and the money come rolling in. That is not true. If you love social media, you can start a YouTube channel, you can start a TikTok channel, or you can start an Instagram channel. YouTube has this great program where if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour views or 10 million views on a short, you qualify to be monetized, meaning you can receive a portion of whatever advertisement dollars YouTube charges someone to advertise using your content. Your, but again, you need to do the work, you need to put the right content out there, and you need to be honest. For those of you who watch these videos, this is a perfect time for you guys to subscribe, as this channel is not monetized because I only have 17 subscribers and I think 10 hours of watch video. These are really good content. They are well researched and they are meant to help you in any way you want to achieve your financial stability. I'm going to say this again. There's no such thing as quick money. Even if you decide to do something illegal, and I hope you don't, you still have to put the work in to make the illegal activity actually makes you money. Okay? You may think these things are a lot of work, they're inconvenience, they are dirty, you don't want to do it, but think of why you're doing it. You are looking for a way to make additional money during the month to help pay your bills, to help you take care of your family, to have the ability to go travel. And those things should be your overall motivation to get this done. All right. I think that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, suggestions, comments, or anything you would like me to cover on this channel, please leave them in the comment section below. My name is Philip. This is Mindful Money Management. Until the next time, spend wisely, my friends.